All right, we're on a call and need to put this person on hold. How does that work? Well, it's easy, but also kind of hidden. To put someone on hold, you can tap and hold the mute button. If you just tap it, you're going to mute yourself, but tapping and holding it for about 3 seconds will put the person on hold, and you'll see a big hold text appear on the top of your screen. To return back to the call, you'll just tap the same button again. There's actually 2 ways to hold calls on your iPhone. The one I just showed is the classic, traditional way to put calls on hold. With iOS 26, there's now another feature called Hold Assist, which solves the opposite problem when someone puts you on hold. Let's say you're on a call with a business or customer service and you're on hold. With Hold Assist, your phone will show a banner asking you if you'd like to hold this call. If the banner doesn't appear, we can turn on Hold Assist manually. I'll first tap More, and from there choose Hold Assist. This will allow me to relax and do something else while my call is on hold. My iPhone will continue to listen to the hold music, stay online, and it will alert me with a notification and a transcript the second a live human starts speaking on the other end. No need to sit by your phone and listen for bad quality music for 30 minutes until you reach someone. Just sit back and wait for that notification. And if you want, you can always manually pick up the call if needed. And there you have it. Click the like button if this helped, and why not subscribe as well? I post similar easy guides almost every day. Thanks all, until next time.